Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out XDC's price chart. And in the previous video we were all the way down here, and the idea was maybe the low is already in, because we are kind of able to find a 5-wave up in this initial move starting from the lowest low, and we said let's hope this is an ABC zigzag, and what we need to see after that is a very strong bounce back. So what happened? We did get a move on the upside, but this wasn't really as strong as I was hoping for it to be. Now, there is still a bullish count in here, and we can say maybe we are having a series of 1-2s, and in that scenario, absolutely, this is 5-wave up, this is correction down, and this is yet another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave up, followed by a correction down, starting, I would say, potentially from this point to about here, or maybe a bit lower, something like this. And in that scenario, you can say maybe we are having an XDC 5 up into 1, correction for wave 2. And what happens next if this is happening? Probably a massive move up into wave 3, 4, 5, which on a higher degree, this white 5 wave at that point, it's going to be into a wave 3, and then correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. This scenario can still be absolutely in play. Now, in order for me to talk bullish with a bit more confidence in XDC, I need to see a break of a very important resistance area that seems like we are having in the short term right in here, and the higher band of this thing is about like 7.4 cents region. Now, if you want to say this is broken, you need to see an initial move above here, followed by a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. So I would like to suggest to just wait a little bit more and see, are we going to get this phase up or not? If we get this, at that point, again, we can talk bullish with a bit more confidence and say, hopefully, the 1-2 scenario is happening. On the other hand, in the interest of being objective, I think we should talk about a potential bearish scenario in here, and that suggests maybe we are having, starting from the lowest low, an A, B, C, D, E. In terms of Elliott's waves, we call this thing a triangle, and in terms of the sub waves, basically we must be able to find ABCs for every single wave. ABC up into C, ABC down into wave D, and this is our final ABC on the upside into our wave E. Maybe it's best to go now on a less busy chart, maybe from Bitstamp. No, the candles in here do not look really good. Let's go on, excuse me. What about Bitfinex? Nope, not really. What about KuCoin? There we go. That's actually much better. So at the same time that you are able to find an impulse, you can also kind of argue this is an A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into our C leg, and then we are having maybe in here an A, B, C zigzag down, A, B, C up. This might be A, B, C structure down, and this can be another A correction for wave B, maybe in form of a running flat, and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave C, and on a higher degree, according to the bearish count, this might be just a beautiful looking A, B, C, D, E, a triangle structure. Now, if this is happening, okay, it means from the current point, we are going to get a rather strong move down. And at that point, not only in this move, we are going to take the lowest low, but also if at the same time we manage to get a break of this very, very important support area right in here, you need to probably count on a continuation of our move down in XDC for quite a bit. Maybe we are going to actually reach to all the way down here around like the 6.5 cents area. I think that can happen, but again, we need to break the support first. As long as we are above it, I think we are allowed to count on yet another move on the upside. So in conclusion, if you want to be bullish in XDC, you need to see a break of the resistance level right in here. If you want to be bearish, you need to see a break of this support, and at that point, this ABCDE triangle is going to get confirmed, meaning our move down is going to continue a bit more. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XDC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.